P.J. Walker crosses the tee, and the Temple Owls have a touchdown. Temple 16, Penn State 10. And Temple's gonna run the field, and their defense is signaling to the Temple sideline to get up and make some noise. It's go time. It's the fourth quarter. Another handoff to Zahn Thomas. He finds a hole, and some more bounces on the outside. 10-5, touchdown Temple! No flags! And the Temple Owls increase their lead off the legs of Zahn Thomas. Temple 23, Penn State 10.
Zahn Thomas makes 3 different jukes. The middle linebackers can't take him down. The secondary can't take him down. He rushes in for the touchdown. 11-14 remaining, and it's a 2-score lead for the Temple Owls.
A 30-yard attempt here. Snap down, hold down, kick on the way, and the kick is good! Austin Jones drills it through the uprights. 27 unanswered points, and the Temple Owls have a 27-10 lead. Step drop, Hackenberg standing tall in the pocket, and he's going to be taken down by Tyler Medikevich. The icing on the cake. The game is over. 74, no more. For the first time in 74 years, the Temple Owls have defeated the Nittany Lions of Penn State. We are Temple, and we have beat Penn State.